Sarah visited the studios at WKMS to chat with Tracy Ross to find out about how changes will benefit the WKMS listeners.
Okay, Tracy, talk about your role here at WKMS.
Well, I'm the program director. I've been the program director for a little over a year and a half now. But I actually started working here in 1994. I was a student at Murray State, and I needed some extra money, and Kate hired me, and they can't get rid of me now. I think in 2000 I was hired full-time as the operations director. We also used to carry Racer Sports, and I was in charge of that, and I was the webmaster for a while. So I've done about everything but clean the dishes here, and actually I've probably done that too. But I have been the PD for a year and a half now, and it's an exciting challenge.
Now you all are actually working on some changes right now.
We are. It's kind of a rebranding, but also it's a show name. It's called Sounds Good. And basically WKMS Sounds Good is the crux of our rebranding. And there's a program called Sounds Good that started September 4th, and it's from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Monday through Friday. And what I envision this as is an open door to the station. It's more or less a one-stop shop for everything that WKMS is about. It's a sampling of all the different great variety of music that we have on our station, and it's also a chance to talk with philanthropic and community leaders, to interview artists and authors and musicians. Basically, if you were to listen to Sounds Good, you would get a decent idea of everything going on this station. The music is a mix of what I call legacy artists, which are people like Bob Dylan and Paul Simon and Bonnie Raitt, who've been making great music for decades. We also play some maybe hidden cuts or not played so much from a great artists like the band or the Beatles or Talking Heads. And then there's so many great musicians that just don't get played on the radio, like Nico Case or Gillian Welch. And there's artists like Ry Cooder and Bill Frisell that just can't even be categorized, much less played on the radio. So you put them all together and you make this stew of what I think is a really exciting and eclectic mix of music. And then in between, I'm talking with everybody from our local community and also our regional community. Think about a really, really good version of an AM radio morning show. Kind of take all the
I like that.
all the bad parts out of that and focus on the good parts that can provide.
Well, you'll have to keep us posted on any changes you make, and hopefully we can get the word out to get more people to listen to WKMS.
That would be wonderful. WKMS Sounds Good.
Thank you, Tracy, for being on the show.
Thank you, Sarah.